What's up, everybody? Time for the Cleveland Cutting Board Weekend Shop update. Man, it's been a rough week. Yeah. Tough week. I got a lot done in the shop, which thankfully kept my mind occupied, but we lost a great guy this week. Rick Epperly was one of my first guys that helped me in the shop when I first got going out here on the west side. Rick passed away unexpectedly this week, and it really sucks. So I want to dedicate this weekend's shop update to my good friend Rick Epperly, who's no longer with us. So with that being said, we got the 100 board order all done. Now when I say we, I mean me. The whole order is done. Actually, I only needed to make 17. I made like 30 something more than I needed to. So I actually have 107 boards done, and another 13 or 15 that's just kind of like glued up and set aside. My goal is to do 5 a week, so I'm already ahead of the game for the next order. So that is a good thing. I got the West Virginia urn. That's all done. That was a fun project. That's lots of challenges. First time I've done something like that, so I enjoy those kind of projects. Makes my brain kind of kick into designer mode, creative mode, all that stuff. So delivering that this week. I got a big jump on the sign. Friends of ours needed a nice sign for in front of their house. So I think it's 15 or 16 by around 30 long. My design they came up with. I use mahogany, so that CNC cut, the letters painted, it's got to do final sand on that, and then a bunch of coats of varnish because it's going to be outside. So that's all. That'll be done this week. I've got the firefighter plaques. I've got all but one. They're all done. The very first one, I didn't like the design, so I changed it. So I have to for the other 8, so I got to redo that one, which won't take long. So I'll get those done this week and get it the wood sealed and delivered by the end of this coming week. So that's done. What else did we get done this week? No cleaning. Didn't get any cleaning done this week. Shop's trashed. I got a little cleaning done. My buddy Jimmy did stop out and help out a little bit, so that's good. So a little bit of cleaning. Got a lot more cleaning to do this week. Also got the Cribs cutting board. That was a fun project too. So I got to design a logo for him. I got to sell them a great board, hard maple edge green 12 by 18 juice screw with their custom logo in it for the Cribs family. So that's pretty fun. Looking forward to seeing that put to use. What else this week? Some off and in orders, a couple little orders here and there, nothing really crazy, just some cutting boards. Got a couple charcuterie boards done. I got an orange charcuterie board done with a honeycomb. It's more like a reddish orange color. The pictures are kind of tough to tell, but I got that all set. That's done and ready to go. So very, very productive week with what little time I've had. Very somber week. A lot of people passed away in the last 6 weeks, so it's hard to stay motivated, but luckily I'm the kind of person that the shop is what gets me through it. Being in the wood shop helps me kind of stay focused. So, but anyway, that's it for this week's Cleveland Cutting Board Weekend Shop Update. I'll see you on Wednesday for the Whiskey and Wood Talk. If you like these videos, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I will continue to put them out for you. If you have any questions for Whiskey and Wood Talk on Wednesday, go ahead and email those to me. I've already got 3 or 4 really good questions I'm looking forward to getting into on topics. None of them about wood, all about whiskey and wine, and there's one good watch question I want to talk about. So anyway, that's it for this week's Cleveland Cutting Board Weekend Shop Update. Hope everyone has a great week. Stay motivated, stay positive, don't be a hater, and I'll talk to you next week.